Download this sky in the link description below. So let's scale up and put it on the sky part. Something like this. And then scroll down till you see blending. So you can change the blending mode from normal into overlay or multiply or maybe darken. You can experiment using all of this because every color and light from the stock footage is different. So just for example, I choose the multiply. I think it's really good for this clip. So as you can see on detail, the sky looks across the ground. So tap the clip and select adjustment. And I want to bring up the contrast to around +70. It looks good for me. And then I want to trim it to right of playhead. Very easy. So this is the result. And then I want to try with my second clip. Actually the step is same like just now that I do on my first clip. But on this clip we just wanna crop the ground because we only need the sky. Then change the blending mode from normal into overlay. And I also add a little bit contrast because I saw this video on weather, so I'm going to add the reflection effect. Select the sky layer and click 3-point icon on left and select duplicate. Select the sky layer and we are going to rotate or mirroring. So flip it vertically. And let's put it in the weather. And then go to cropping and remove the ground. Very easy. So this is the result. Yeah, this is sick. This is awesome. It's really good if you apply on your creative video or cinematic video or whatever. And last, you can export. And don't forget to follow my Instagram. So that's my tutorial. If you did like this video, please leave a like. Thank you so much for watching and see you again next video.